Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about time data type. It's a primitive data type. And just like we have a date class in Salesforce, we also have a time class in Salesforce. You can see here in this like add minutes, add seconds. These are the time classes. So let's create a variable time. My time is equals to time dot new instance, and let's put hour, minute, second, and millisecond. Just like we have date dot new instance, like we also have time dot new instance, like 7 hours, 12 minutes, seconds 4, and 30 milliseconds. So this is how you instantiate the time value. And then I will be using system.debug time is my time. You can copy paste from here. Okay, my time. Let's go ahead and execute this and see what will be the output of this program. Let's go to debug only, and this is the output. Okay, let's go to this website, and you can see here that new instance constructs a date time from the specified date time, the local time zone, or you can see here construct the date time from integer representation of the specified year, day, hour, minutes. There are different methods like add hour, add millisecond. Add hours means you can add hours in the time. You can also add milliseconds in the time. These are the different things that are available. So let's go ahead and use this method. So let's say if I wanted to add an hour. So how will I do? I will say time, my time 1 is equals to my time dot of add hours. Let's say I'll add 4 hours. Let's see what the new value is. System dot debug new time is my time 1, and let's see what will be the output. Now the time is 7:12. Let's see what will be the time. Debug only. So the new time is 11:12, 4 and 30. So this is the hour, minute, this is the second, and these are the milliseconds. And now let's see what will happen if you add minutes. So here I'll say time, my time 2. This is the new variable that I'm creating. This is going to be equal to my time dot add minutes. We can add 20 minutes. Now what will the new value? System dot debug new time is plus my time too. After adding minutes. After adding minutes. And that is going to be my time too. Okay. So let's go ahead. Okay, what we have done is we have created a time value and we have stored in it in this value called my time, and then we are just displaying the value of the my time. Now then we are doing the we are using this add hours method that is available in time class. You have not created this method, it is already available here. You are only using it. So there is a method called add hours, and what this method does, it add 4 hours to your time. So the original time was this, you have added 4 hours to it, so the new time is this. Then if you want to add minutes, then all you have to do is, then you are calling add minutes method and you are telling that how many minutes you want to add. Let's say you want to add 20 minutes, so it will add 20 minutes. So now it will become 24. Okay. You are storing the, after adding the minutes, you are storing that value in the variable of the type time, and then you are displaying it. So we'll go ahead and hit the execute button. Debug only, and you can see here we are adding 4 hours, it become 11, 12, and then minutes, then it becomes 7:32. You can add milliseconds also. So there's method known as add milliseconds. Time, my time 3 is equals to my time dot, so it will add to what, it will add to this time, my time dot add milliseconds. Let's say you wanted to add 30 milliseconds. Let's say what will happen here. System dot debug new time after adding milliseconds. Then we are going ahead and display my time 3. And now hit the execute. Debug only. So here we will have new time after adding 30 milliseconds. I had to do plus in. Okay. So here the new time is 7, 12, 4 and 60 milliseconds. So this is the output. You can see that it is showing in output is showing in line number 8. It became 60 milliseconds. Initially it was 30, now it became 60, sorry. So okay, now let's see what happens if you add 40 minutes here. So we'll go ahead and 40 minutes and do the execute. So initially, let's see what will be the output. So initially the minutes was 12 and the afterwards it becomes 7:52. Now if I add 60 minutes, let's see what happens. So it will add 60 minutes. Let's see what will be the output. Debug only. It become 8:12. So just play around it. Now here it become very easy. You are adding the minutes incremented an hour because you are adding 60 minutes. Since 60 minutes, you know it's an hour. So that's the line number 6. So you can here see that the output is 732. So these are the different methods that are available in the time class. Time class only gives you time. Date class only gives you the information about the date. The third one that we have is a date time, which gives you the information date as well as the time. And you guessed it right. If you already have a class called date time available in Apex, or it is given to you by the Salesforce, all you have to do is use it. So we'll talk about that in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.